My name is Jabel and this is Jasmine, and we would like to personally invite you to our next free first-time homebuyer workshop in your area.
Join us at our next event where you will hear from a team of seasoned professionals that will be going over state and local first-time homebuyer programs, 100% finance and options, and everything you need to know to qualify for your first mortgage.
Our workshop will educate you on finding and negotiating the best deal on your new home, understanding insurance and inspection requirements, fixing your credit. We'll even go over buying versus renting and find out what's best for you. Our question and answer session will help you, guide you through your path of home ownership.
We look forward to seeing you February 27th at 7 p.m. here in Coral Springs. If you plan on purchasing a home in 2020, you definitely don't want to miss it.
We hope to see you there.